Your Lordship, here I am challenging the appointment of respondent 4 to 6.
Yes.
Your Lordship, initially the respondent 1 published an advertisement on 6 November 2019, which is at page 31, Your Lordship. Annexure 1. Page 31.
Page
31, Your Lordship.
31. Yes.
Your Lordship, if I may. Applications in prescribed form are invited for filling up 3 vacant posts of Magistrate First Class Subordinate District Council Court, KHEDC, in the initial pay scale of so-and-so. So this is the advertisement, Your Lordship. The post herein was mentioned only for 3 vacant posts, Your Lordship.
3 vacant posts of Magistrate First Class only, okay.
Yes, Your Lordship. So after that, Your Lordship, applicants submitted on their applications, and 6 candidates.
Are these 2 petitioners or candidates?
Your Lordship, they initially participated, Your Lordship, but they were unsuccessful, Your Lordship.
I mean, in this selection, they participated?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Both of them?
Yes, Your Lordship.
They didn't pass?
They didn't pass, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Thereafter, Your Lordship, 6 candidates were called for written examination. And
examination?
Written examination, Your Lordship, which is at Annexure 2, page 32.
No, call for interview?
Call for, on the basis of
Yes.
written examination, they were called for personal interview. Your Lordship, thereafter, if you could come to page 34. 34, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, out of those 6 candidates, the first 3 candidates, they secured, they were on the top of the merit lists, and they were given appointment, Your Lordship, since it was only for 3 posts. The remaining other 6 candidates, which is respondent 4, 5, and 6 here in Your Lordship, they were kept in waiting list. This is come advertisement, come waiting list, Your Lordship, since this is the result, come advertisement. And the
advertisement was on
6 November 2019.
6/11/2019. Okay.
19, Your Lordship. And the results were declared on 11 January 2021.
3 posts on?
Yes, Your Lordship.
3
3
vacant
posts.
posts.
3 vacant posts.
Okay. How many vacancies are there now?
Sorry, Your Lordship?
Now no vacancies?
No, no vacancies.
Okay.
Your Lordship, and the results were declared on 11 January 2021. And waiting list is also mentioned there, Your Lordship.
So it took 1 year for the advertisement to the result of written exam?
Yes, Your Lordship. 1 year. 1 year for exam.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the last line of the said letter, Your Lordship, it's written, the result is valid for a period of 1 year from the date of this notification.
Yeah.
Meaning thereby this waiting list was only for the period of 1 year. That means from 11 January 2021 till 11 January 2022.
Select list.
Now, Your Lordship, if I may take you to page 35, Your Lordship, Annexure 5.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this is the letter which is issued by the respondent number 1 to respondent number 3.
19 August
Your Lordship.
2021.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Annexure 5.
Annexure 5, Your Lordship. 19 August 2021.
What does it say?
Your Lordship, here it says the respondent number 1 has written a letter to respondent number 3 saying that, Your Lordship, if I may take to para number 2. However, it may be informed that there are few more vacant posts of Magistrate First Class as per current budget provisions, and in view of the current situation in the state and country as a whole, it may not be conducive to conduct fresh examination for filling up the said vacant post. Your Lordship, here if I may draw your attention, Your Lordship, the respondent 1 has written by themselves that it may be not conducive to conduct fresh examination for filling up the said vacant post. So here it is an admitted fact by the respondent 1 that this is this vacant post will be for fresh examination. They don't. They were not conducting the fresh examination due to the reasons mentioned. That the state, that the situation in state and country is not proper. And this is Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, pursuant to this, The respondent number 3 had approved their appointment, Your Lordship, which is at page 36, Your Lordship, Annexure 6, dated 25 October 2021, wherein the appointment of respondent 4 to 6 was, the respondent was 4 to 6 was given, Your Lordship.
Respondent, this is dated?
Dated 25 October 2021 by respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
Yes, okay.
Now, Your Lordship,
Why is approval required from High Court?
since in the earlier letter, Your Lordship, Annexure 5, the respondent number 1 has written to respondent number 3.
Why they ask for approval?
Because, Your Lordship, there was no fresh advertisement for the new vacant posts. So as such, they have directly asked the approval from the High Court to take the candidates from the waiting list, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Instead of advertisement, Your Lordship, they have directly approached respondent number 3 for approval. So, and the High Court also gave approval without even verifying that there were no vacant fresh advertisement, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if I may take you to Annexure 7, Your Lordship, page 37.
Yes.
Your Lordship, here dated 6 December 2021. If I may read, Your Lordship. In continuation to this office order number so-and-so dated 11 January 2021, the Executive Committee, KHADC, is pleased to extend the validity of the said notification up to 31st March 2022. So here, Your Lordship, they are referring to the result come waiting list. Yes, Your Lordship. And they have extended the list till 31st March 2022, which will not have any effect, Your Lordship, as I said, Your Lordship, the advertisement was only for 3 posts, and admittedly, Your Lordship, the said 3 posts are filled up by the successful candidates in serial number 1 to 3, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Now, Your Lordship, I'll take you to the counter affidavits of respondent, Your Lordship.
This is sent to?
Your Lordship?
Oh, please your own case first.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. Annexure 8 is?
Annexure 8.
Who gives approval here?
Joint Secretary, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, after getting the approval from the respondent number 3, the same was conveyed to the respondent number 2, Your Lordship, for approval. Your Lordship, this Annexure 8 is the approval given by the Governor, Your Lordship.
Annexure 8?
Oh, Annexure 9, Your Lordship.
Yes, I was also the Governor.
Page 39.
Okay.
The Governor, after seeing the approval given by respondent number 3, had also approved the appointment of respondent 4 to 6.
Where do you say that? It just says the power conferred by sub-rule 1.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Further, Your Lordship, first I have to take you to Annexure 8, Your Lordship, in order to see that. Page 38, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, if I am directed to enclose herewith a copy of the approval by the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya for the appointment of the above named 3 candidates for the post of Magistrate First Class Subordinate District Council Court, wide notification number so-and-so, dated 11 January 2021, for favor of onward approval by the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya. So this letter was sent by the respondent number 1 to respondent number 2, Your Lordship, and pursuant to that, the next
approval is given by Governor.
Yes, Your Lordship. The respondent number 2 had given the approval.
Yes.
And after getting approval from, yes, Your Lordship, they were appointed and they were given their appointment letters, and subsequently the respondent number 4, 5 and 6 have also joined, and they have submitted their joining report, wherein the 3 respondents, 1 respondent has joined on 3rd March 2022. The other also, Your Lordship, she has joined on 3rd March, and the last one was 4th March, Your Lordship.
All joined within 31st March 22 then.
All, yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Yes.
Your Lordship, now I'll take you to the counter of respondent number 1.
Counter, I'll place my counter.
Your Lordship, if I may take you to the counter of 14 November 2022.
14?
November 2022.
Counter, whose counter?
Respondent number 1.
Number 9 to 18, yes.
This is the first affidavit, Your Lordship. The main, here, Your Lordship, the respondent have raised objection on the...
How many affidavits have been filed?
Your Lordship, respondent number 1 have filed...
11, 10, 2, and which affidavit are you relying upon, Dr. Muzika?
My lord, we filed 2 affidavits, my lord. One additional affidavit. We're relying on both, my lord.
What was the other one? The other one is, oh sorry, they have filed on, one is 14/11.
Yes, Your Lordship, 2022.
And the next one is?
11/9/2023.
Okay. Yes, what do you want to show from here?
Your Lordship, first they have raised the challenge, my locus, Your Lordship, which in my humble submission is that, Your Lordship, we have participated in the said advertisement, so there is very much a locus, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, the main contention which they have taken is in paragraph 7, Your Lordship, page 3.
Yes.
If I may, that in reply to the statements made in paragraph 6, 7, 8 of the petition, the answering deponents state that all the 3 posts have been duly filled, white letter number so-and-so, dated 19/8/2021, comma. He informed the Registrar, High Court of Meghalaya, Shillong, that there are few vacant posts for the post of Magistrate First Class, and due to the shortage of budget provisions and in prevailing pandemic situation in the state and country, it is not conducive to conduct fresh examination for filling up the said vacant post, and requested the Registrar to fill up the remaining vacant post from the candidates in the waiting list. It is further requested that while approving the appointment of the waiting list candidates, the same may kindly be treated as special consideration. So, Your Lordship, here the respondent 1 has taken a stand that due to the shortage of budget provision and the situation in state of in Meghalaya, they do not want to conduct fresh examination for filling up the said post. And also the candidates, the same may kindly be treated as special consideration, Your Lordship. Here they are just talking about special consideration and also giving the reason of COVID and budget.
Yes.
So this may not be a ground, Your Lordship, in my humble submission, that this may not be a ground for not issuing a fresh evidence.
Is not a ground.
It's not, sorry, Your Lordship.
Yes.
It's not a ground for giving appointment to respondent 4 to 6.
Are these both these petitioners practicing advocates?
Yes, Your Lordship. They are still practicing, Your Lordship.
They're still in the zone of consideration or no?
Sorry, Your Lordship.
They're still practicing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship, now if I may take you to the additional affidavit filed by respondent number 1, dated 11 September.
Only para 7 you want to show from there?
No, Your Lordship. There they have. Oh yes, Your Lordship.
Oh, sorry.
Well, I'll be placing my affidavit, my lord.
It's all right. Let her argue. Okay. Now,
Nothing will be left for us, my lord.
let her argue her case because there are certain things she has to answer regarding to anyway about. So anyway, the next affidavit, additional affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
41.
Page 3, para 6, Your Lordship.
Yes.
That over the period till August 2021, a total of 9 judicial posts were sanctioned in the District Council as follows: 1 post for judge, 2 posts for additional judge, and 6 posts of magistrate first class. In the meantime, 2 of the magistrate first class were promoted to the post of additional judge. As such, the total working strength of District Council was only 1 judge, 2 additional judges, and 1 magistrate first class in the, full stop. In the year 2019, as such, 5 posts of magistrate first class were lying vacant. So, Your Lordship, here the respondent of 1 has brought into new fact, Your Lordship, whereas this fact was never placed, was never put before. Even in the advertisement, they have not written that there are 5 vacancy and we are publishing only 3 posts. Your Lordship, there in the initial advertisement of 2019, they have written that for the post of 3 vacancies, yes, Lordship. And here they are saying there were 5 posts of magistrate first class.
So are these future vacancies or anticipated vacancies?
It's in my humble submission, it will be future vacancies, Your Lordship.
There are existing vacancies.
No, that you have to make out your case, yes.
And also here, Your Lordship, they have written that 2 posts of 2 magistrates were promoted to additional judge. This was done in the year 2023, Your Lordship, not in 2021, because, Your Lordship, paragraph 6, just now I have read, Your Lordship.
Total 9 posts, 1 post of judge, 2 posts of additional judges, and 6 posts of magistrate first class.
Yes, Your Lordship.
In the meantime, 2 magistrate first class post additional judge.
Yes, Your Lordship.
When was this promotion done?
2023, Your Lordship.
23?
Yes, Your Lordship. Why I say this, Your Lordship? Because the judge of District Council, the earlier judge, he retired on 31st August 2023. If I may name the judge, just Judge Kharsim Lake. When he retired, then only 1 post was vacant. Then thereafter, the additional judge became judge, and then the old magistrate, she was promoted to additional judge. So this was not done in the
I don't think so. What's the cadre strength of the entire cadre of District Council?
9
It's not 1 judge to additional judges to additional judges and what's the cadre strength?
Total 9, my lord, as of now.
No, 9 means no. She's saying that there could not have been 2 additional judges. When was this? What's his name? The other one? Just below Baha's name.
SB Lathma, madam.
Lathma and Smrtan, they are additional for quite some time.
When was Mirtan promoted as additional judge?
I'll just find out.
Now.
No.
Much before that.
No, because he's making a point that that they were promoted in 23. So there were no vacancies at that point of time with regard to subordinate council court. When were they promoted? Find out.
Yes, Your Lordship. 2023, Your Lordship. I'm very much certain.
23 is appointed additional judge.
No, Your Lordship. In 2023.
No. See, you don't understand the point. Now, the cadre strength is what? 9? 9 cadre strength means...
One
okay.
judge,
One judge,
two additional,
judges,
2 additional judges,
and 6 magistrates.
6 magistrates. Okay. Now you say that at 2023,
yes, Your Lordship.
One judge retired.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So 1 went up.
Yes, Your
And
Lordship.
there's only 1 left.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Additional judge.
No, Your Lordship.
No. When was... See, please, the fact should be clear.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Law will follow. Fact should be clear
yes,
first.
Your Lordship.
When was this is confusing. 9 posts, you say that 2 posts additional judge, 6 posts magistrate. Okay. In the meantime, 2 magistrates were promoted to the additional judge. When was he promoted as additional judge?
Your Lordship.
I'm trying to find out the date or year at least. But there are
He's saying 23.
It cannot be, my lord. The additional judge is common knowledge for quite some time, my lord.
Your Lordship, my
He practiced in district council, correct? Yes, sir. You don't know when they were promoted?
2023.
Sure.
That's an incorrect statement.
Your Lordship, it was after the retirement of Justice Judge Kharsim Lake, Madam Laithama was promoted as a judge.
The question is not who is promoted as judge. Question is when they're promoted as additional judge.
When were this? See, they made a statement there, but
Yes,
over
yeah.
21
In
up to 9
Swansea.
judges posts are sanctioned as the council as follows.
Yes, Your
1
Lordship.
post of judge, 2 posts of additional judges,
Yes.
and 6 posts of magistrate
Magistrate
first class.
class.
Okay.
Yes, Your
Now the position as is today is that, okay, that 6 posts of judicial magistrates are filled up. Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You say that that time they were not there, the vacancies, because these 2 people were promoted subsequently.
One, Your Lordship.
In the meantime, 2 magistrates first
They
are
are saying
promoted to the
that.
post additional judge.
They are
So
saying
when
that.
the meantime, when it's happened, as such, total working strength of the council court is 1 judge, 2 additional judges, and 1 magistrate first class in 2019. This is
Full
what we
stop.
have to confirm. This is on facts, on records. In 2019, that means there was 1 judge, 2 additional judges, and 1 magistrate first class only.
Is it?
Yes.
Yes.
That means only 1 judge. That means there were 5 vacancies of magistrate first class.
And 1 post was subsequently sanctioned, my lord.
Okay, that's besides the point.
That's
No,
one
MSc
judge.
3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yeah, please verify.
Yes, Your Lordship. 1 judge, 26.
Because you see, we're going on, the whole case hinges upon the vacancy position or sanction post, or whether there's a future vacancy or existing vacancy. That is the whole case hinges on that.
Yes,
You
Your
understand
Lordship.
that?
Yes, Your Lordship.
And that after we ascertain as whether these posts were there or not, then we see the manner of which these people accommodated in this post, whether it can pass the test, the test of law. That's the thing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That your duty is to show that.
I do understand, Your Lordship.
Or you take your time, you can prepare, no hurry.
No, Your Lordship. It's. Then Your Lordship, then I'll not focus on this issue, Your Lordship.
No, that's a very important issue. Anyway, okay, fine. On us, next point.
Lordship, in their affidavit, they have also cited the Honorable Supreme Court's judgment, Your Lordship.
Forget some good judgment. Let's on the facts first, please. On the fact, because this court, I'm not really clear about the facts as yet. That's the only thing. With regard to vacancy, whether future vacancy, anticipated vacancy, existing vacancy, sanction post, we have to start from there.
Yes, Your
You have to make a clear case that at that point of time, there were no vacant posts. You understand?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, then Your
Because
Lordship.
you see, okay, there are no vacant posts at all which would have deserved any kind of consideration for anybody else to be appointed apart from the people who are qualified. Forget the waiting list also.
Your Lordship, but in the advertisement, Your Lordship, they have just mentioned about 3 vacant posts.
That's fine.
Yes,
Advertisement is fine. But then we have to go beyond, because your case is that at that point of time there were only 3 vacant posts.
Yes, Your
Now
Lordship.
the law is advanced from there.
Yes,
You understand, with regard to future vacancies, existing vacancies,
Yes.
maybe advertisement also. Because one part of the law says that only to the post advertised you can fill up.
Yes,
But
Your
again, there's been there are other judgments also. You understand?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Exigencies are there also.
Exigencies, yes.
So you
Your
have to,
But in exigencies, Your Lordship, they should be specific.
no,
It
you see,
should be
don't
specific,
argue
Your
like a layman.
Yes, Your
Like
Lordship.
you're a lawyer, so you argue like a lawyer.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay?
Yes, Your
You
Lordship.
argue on points of law. The law follows the facts. So you establish your facts first such a way that these are the facts which you place before the court. This is the position at that point of time, and this is what has been done wrong by them, and this is the law that supports my case. That is how you go about your case. But it must be very clear of fact. Now you have made a statement that at the point of time that these people were promoted to 23. That we have to clarify. To come first to just coming back to your first point, that at a point of time there were only 3 vacant posts, nothing else.
Nothing else, Your Lordship.
That's the thing. State file affidavit.
Yes, we find.
You do one thing, you verify your facts, we'll have it again next week. Because you file written arguments also, it seems. We also file a lot.
We also feel that.
You just get clear on fact, because this court likes to hear oral arguments. Forget bullet points something, because at least you have to establish your case. Like, satisfy the court, then if you show the law, take the order. We don't, we do with this.
Your Lordship,
Just like that.
Your Lordship, I have cited law, Your Lordship. I have cited.
No, I mean, show the law, I mean, after you establish the facts. You kindly find out, Dr. Mosika, when you just
Yes,
bring
sir,
it,
yes,
bring it on record.
Well, we'll try.
Now, that's very, very material. Because if their case is that, at that point of time, there were no posts of corrections, that means that action is totally illegal.
There were only 3 posts, Your
If
Lordship.
if they can establish it, I'm saying.
They should have denied in their rejoinder, they have not said anything.
Doesn't matter.
We will bring on record, my lord, when they are promoted as additional judge. After Bakar Assembly retired as a judge, my lord, then there was a promotion to the post of judge. But they were
Whatever
serving as
it is.
additional
When did
judge
he
for
retire?
quite
Last year?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Last March also. No, they'll come. Let her prepare. It's all right. He's making good effort. Yes. His hurt and part is to get him to continue. We'll continue on.
Sixth, seventh, fifth, any day.
12th, Your Lordship.
12th.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why?
Your Lordship, I am going out of station.
Fourth,
That'll be 12th. 4th, the Monday, a lot of matters are fixed. 12th, okay. I thought I'd hear good arguments. I want to encourage juniors to argue.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You see, that's how every case as you argue, you cut your teeth on the arguments. You can argue in all these seniors like this. That's the thing. So how you prepare your case is very important. And so it's good that you are, one of the few juniors who argues. It's good. I want all the other juniors to start arguing also. Don't wait for your seniors to, just to take adjournments.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship.